Okay, we're going to learn how to write parallel lines today. And it's not that hard. As long as you know how to tell if two lines are parallel, that they have the same slope, then it's good. So the first thing you're going to do is identify slope. Slope, m is equal to something. You're going to figure it out. Reminder, previous knowledge, you need this. Slope-intercept form, y alone. You need to know that whatever is in front of x after y is by itself is the slope. The second thing you're going to do is pick the point and write what m equals. So this really just comes down, and you're picking a point. Third, you use point slope. That means you're given a point and you're given a slope, okay? So y minus the y you're given is equal to your slope times x minus the x you're given. Let's apply it. A line is parallel to y equals 3x plus 2. So it's parallel to this line. So if we draw it, it's going to be going at the same rate. We know that it goes through the point 3, 2. Let's create the equation for it. So the first thing I need to figure out is what is my slope. If I'm parallel to this line, that means I have the same slope. The slope of that line is 3. So the slope of my line is 3 because they're parallel, they're the same. So now I know the slope of my line. The second thing I need to do according to my steps is do the point and my slope. Well, the point I go through is 3, 2. I know that because it says it's parallel to this, figure out the slope, and goes through this point. So I go through the point 3, 2, m is equal to 3. And now I do point slope. Third, y minus the y I'm given, in case we forget, x and then y. Y minus the y I'm given is equal to my slope times x minus the x I'm given. I'm not done though. This is now you're expected to be able to turn that into slope-intercept. That means y alone. You always want y alone. Maybe that should be step 4. Get y alone. Write that somewhere. 4. Get y alone. Okay. So I'm going to distribute y minus 2. Okay, so we're distributing that 3. Y minus 2 equals 3x minus 9. Distributing the 3. Y is not alone. I'm almost alone though. Look at it, it's so close. All I have to do is move that 2, and I'm alone. Oh, I'm getting there. So now I have y equals 3x, this is a negative 9. Negative 9 plus 2 is a negative 7. Of course, MCAs will have it y equals 3x minus 7. Final answer. Done. I created an equation of a line that's parallel to a given line. That means they give me a line. That's what I boxed in red. They give me a line. They give me a point, and I can create a line that's parallel, using my knowledge that parallel lines have the same slope. So we're going to create a line that's parallel to y equals negative 3x plus 3 and passes through the point 1, 4. Okay, so I'm parallel to this line. If I'm parallel to that line, what's my slope? Negative 3. And parallel to this line, focus on here. Parallel to this line, so that means my slope has to be the same. My slope is negative 3. Second, the point I pass through, so I pass through 1, 4, because they told me it says passes through the point 1, 4, and my m is equal to negative 3. Okay? Now I do point slope, the y minus the y I'm given. Y minus the y I'm given is equal to my slope times x minus the x I'm given. It's a negative 3. Now I have to distribute, I have to get y alone. That's step 4. Fourth, get y alone. Y minus 4 equals negative 3x minus a negative 3 minus negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 2 signs. No thank you. Let's turn it into 1 quick. That's just me simplifying the minus a negative. When I minus a negative, I'm really plussing. Now y is almost all by itself. I'm almost there. I add 4. Add 4, y equals negative 3x plus 7. That's a lot of work. A lot of work to find parallel lines and create an equation. Huge on the MCA. Okay, it's huge, so you need to know this.